Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
And today we will see how we can buy followers for our Twitter account. For that, you need to go to this bestsmm.com, and I have showed all the procedure that how we can go there and how we can sign in to this page. If you missed our previous video, then you can visit our YouTube channel and you will get all those videos whatever you missed. Do not forget to subscribe and share to others. So let's start. So here is our SMM panel and I am going to sign in now. After signing in, it will redirect me into this page, and this is our order section. This is our new order section. This is our order section where you will find all those things that completed or pending, or if you have cancelled any order or in progress things, you can see everything from here. So as you can see that I have already paid for one channel, YouTube channel, and I have spent $2.952 and for 480 subscribers. This is our add fund section. Before buying any followers, views or watch time or anything for your channel, before that you need to add your funds definitely. So I have showed all the procedures, all the steps that how we can add our funds through Bcash, through bank account, or through many options. So if you missed those videos, then you can visit our channel and you will get that video also. And this is our services section where you will get all the services. So let's go to our new order section, and from here I will select the category, and that would be our Twitter. Right, today we will go with Twitter things. So I will go with this Twitter followers. Here you can see that it is showing Twitter followers, Twitter retweets, Twitter likes, favorites, Twitter views, impressions, Twitter mentions, Twitter comments. They have lots of option here, so we can go with our one, whatever we need to go to tweet services. And you can see they have also Telegram services. So today we will go with Twitter services, and that is Twitter followers, right? We want some followers for our Twitter channel. So I'm going with this Twitter followers. After selecting it, it will show us this service section, and we need to select this service section as well. So they have lots of services here. We need to focus on our things that what we need actually. So you can see that this is Twitter followers no refill. That's mean we can't go with this one because this is no refill. It will be never refill things. And this is Twitter followers. This is also no refill. You can see Twitter followers maximum 500k, 30 days refill, and speed is this one is starting time 0 to 20 minutes, and it will cost $0.625. Twitter followers 30 days refill. This is maximum 100k. If you want 500k between 500k, you can go with this one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.